little bit about myself, part one. So today I want to start with everywhere I lived in the United States. So from the time I was born until I was 27 and I moved to Russia, I moved about 21 times. So it started in San Diego, where I was born, where I lived in quite a few houses that look like this. And then my family and I moved to London, England, where we stayed in a place like this. And then we came back to the United States, where my parents had a house in the middle of the woods. And then I left and lived on my own, and I went from apartment to apartment to apartment, starting first with Charlotte, North Carolina, which is a rather large city. And then I moved to Asheville, North Carolina, which is a small town in the mountains. And then I went to Houston, Texas, which is the third largest city in the United States, all before moving to Russia. So the point is that I've lived in houses, I've lived in apartments, I've lived in big cities, I've lived in small towns, I've lived in nice places, I've lived in bad places. And that is where I get my experience from when I'm comparing my life in Russia to my life in America.